bilang isang tropical country. Pero sino mag-aakala na kaya nating sumabak sa larangan ng ice skating? Taong 1990 nang maipakilala ito sa Pilipinas, ngunit noong taong 2000 lamang nang simula tayong magka-interes na sumalang sa iba't ibang kompetisyon na ginaganap sa ibang bansa. Ngayong araw, makakasama natin ang isa sa mga Filipino skaters na nakapagpakitang gilas at nakapag-uwi ng iba't ibang karangalan sa Pilipinas. Ako si Sheila Salaysay, and this is Inside Sports. Basic moves sa figure skating, makakasama ko ay isang miyembro ng Philippine National Figure Skating Team na nakapagbigay ng ilang karangalan sa Pinas. Siya ay walang iba kundi si Sky Chua. Hi Sky! Sky, curious ako, paano ka ba napahilig sa figure skating? Ilang taon ka nung nagsimula at can you share us your journey sa sport na to?
So, nagsimula ako sa skating when I was 7 years old na. Actually, how I got into it is naglalakad lang kami sa mall and dun kami kumain sa KFC. Sa Mega Mall pa to, Mega Mall. So, pag umakyat ka ng playground dun, kitang-kita yung rink, like in Mega Mall. Tapos I just sit there, tapos pinapanood ko sila. Tapos parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko to i-try. So, one time nung naglalakad na kami sa MOA naman, Mall of Asia, nung nasa baba pa yung rink. Sabi ko kay Mami, gusto ko talaga i-try. So, ayun, pinayagan na ako mag-try. And siguro, I learned how to love the sport. At first talaga, no expectations. Gusto ko lang siya i-try for fun, kumbaga. But as years went by, sabi ko parang ito talaga yung gusto ko na sport.
Sky, figure skating is not widely known sa mga Pinoy, pero tanong ko sa'yo, why should one consider taking it up?
First, kasi malamig dito, charot. No, I feel like it's something that's really different from other sports. It's a combination of that grace and power. Parang gymnastics na din siguro. It's a combination of art, really, and yung strength talaga to do all the elements, like balancing pa lang is already one of the strengths. And I feel, yun na nga, different environment from other sports. It's really cold here sa skating rink.
Sky, sa mga nagnanais subukan to, siguradong may mga initial investments sa mga equipment needed. So, can you share what these are?
So, if you want to begin yung professional skating talaga, of course, yung investment natin is figure skates. It's actually the boot and the blade as well. So, separated talaga siya when you buy it. There's actually different brands and also different equivalents. So, iba yung pang-basics na skate sa yung pag tumatalon ka na, gumagawa ka ng elements. It's a different kind of skate also.
Sky, now here comes the exciting part. So, ano ba yung mga ituturo mo sa akin ngayong araw na to?
Hello guys! So, I'm here today and I'm gonna teach Miss Sheila 3 basic moves. So, first, we're gonna do forward whistles. Next is backward whistles. And then lastly, we have the 1-foot glide. So, first, yung forward whistles is, magsa-start ka in a V position. Then, you're gonna bend your knees and try to put your feet together in an A position naman. So, dire-diretso yun. Yeah. You really have to engage your legs and your glutes and your core as well. And then, laging center lang dapat yung balance mo. So, the second move is backward whistle. So, parang reverse lang siya of the forward. So, we start with the A, and then go to the V position naman. So, same, engage your legs, your glutes, your core, and keep your balance in the middle. Yeah. Oh! matuto. The last it's 1 foot glide. So medyo complicated because we have to keep our balance on one side, but we're gliding at the same time. So you do it, okay, you do it by stroke ka muna. Dito na lang kaya. So you stroke konti, and then 1 foot na. Stroke forward ng konti. Tapos, release, and 1 leg. You have to remember to keep yung legs mo together. Kahit na your knees are up, together dapat lagi. Pag gumanan, you're gonna lose your balance. Oh! And you can keep your arms here para mas may center. Glide. Oh! Yeah!
Isang magandang ehemplo si Sky Chua na kung gugustuhin natin ay maaabot natin ang life goals. Walang imposible basta may dedikasyon at focus sa isang target ang Pinoy. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang Inside Sports.